I record a lot of videos and I do a lot of live streams, so I built an app for myself to do it all. This is Videorc. It's a fully open source recording studio and live streaming platform. You can record your videos in 4K 100% free, exactly the same like I'm doing right now. And here is the app. I am now currently recording my video and you can see exactly how it looks while I'm recording. We can see that I'm currently recording in 4K. I'm not currently live streaming, although I could be live streaming and recording the video in the same time. And we have many features. Let's test out first the scenes. So currently we have screen plus camera scene. We can change to screen only, to camera only, to side by side, and everything is pretty instant and you can change all these scenes also while you are live streaming. And that's not everything. We can now go here to edit our scene and we can move the camera all around, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right. So I usually keep my top right and I put it to small. We can put large, small, medium. We can even move it a little bit from the side and you can pretty much edit anything. And awesome thing is that you are seeing all these things right now while I'm recording. And everything is again applicable while you are live streaming. Then we have here assets. Here you can put your background. For example, we can choose this light mode, dark mode, webinar. It's to have something fancy behind the screen. I'm not usually using this, but I love to have this as a feature. Then we have the takeover screens. This one is really good for live streams and I'm building basically this tool for myself. So everything that is useful, I really love to put it in. So we have here takeovers and I can, for example, put this gold, then start and etc, and I can also remove it here on, so I just click again and it is removed. So this is really good when you want something like live streaming starting soon and things like that. So this is also really awesome feature. Then we have here live stream. Here you can connect YouTube, Twitch and Twitter and live stream on any platform. You can also live stream to multiple platforms, but that one is for premium. We're going to talk about that one as well. And next feature are the live captions. And this is, I think, the only application that exists that has live captions on live streams. And this one is also a premium feature. Reason behind why is it premium is because I'm using AI in order to create these live captions. So you can here basically change the style and you are getting live captions while you are live streaming or while you are recording the video. It is still a little bit late. It is maybe like 1 second late, but it is okay because this is used mostly if someone is watching on their phone and they don't have their sound on, so they can follow your live streams in some way. Then we have the output. Here we can just choose the resolution and everything. How are we making our videos? I'm usually doing everything in 4K. Sometimes I'm live streaming in HD. And then here we have our library. And you can see here this video that is currently recorded. So this one is currently being created and we can see the session and everything. And you can see all the videos from before. So we can from here play the video or use the AI features, which is our next big feature right here. And here we can do many things. And this one is for premium only because this is a heavy usage of AI. So we can here create transcripts, we can create titles and descriptions, we can create summaries, chapters, highlights, social posts. So we can create pretty much anything that we want from our already existing videos. And this is really important for me, especially for transcripts and for putting subtitles to my videos on Twitter, for example. So this is why this is really useful for me. I'm still testing out, I'm still adding many features here. So stay tuned for this one. And finally, we have the settings. Here, just like normal things like system access, shortcuts, appearance, behavior, and everything. So we can I think this is the only app as well that you can change to light mode with D and to dark mode back here. And we have many here shortcuts. So we can basically go through the entire app with shortcuts. I'm just holding my command 5, 6, 7, etc., etc. So we can use it for pretty much anything. And here for support, updates, etc. And now also really awesome that it's really hard for me to show you this feature. We have here notes, and these notes are invisible to you. I'm calling it vampire notes, thanks to Francois, the creator of Nux. He gave me that idea. So now here currently, there are notes in front of me, but you are not seeing it. And this is so useful for video creation, to put some quick notes so you can remember what you need to talk about. You can even like use it like teleprompter to read from there and to make videos while this is on the screen. So this here now, here it is saying vampire notes and you are not seeing it. Even if I screenshot it, it is still invisible. I have to literally just make a photo with my phone in order to show you that one. I can actually, I'm going to edit the video and I'm going to put it right here next to me so you can see it. Videorc is fully open source and you can go and record your videos in 4K 100% free. There is a premium account, but that's for specialized features, and I'm going to show you for what. So here on Videorc, if you go to pricing, we can see that there is a premium, and it's for multi-streaming on multiple platforms in the same time. It is for live captions on your stream and recording, for AI features, for one-click publish pack, and for lab that's still experimental, for smart zoom, noise cleanup, etc. So basically for the all cloud and AI features which cannot be free, this is what premium is for. I would really appreciate some feedback if you could try it out and tell me how it feels. I make a lot of videos and this app is definitely making my life easier. And I know many of you are going to ask, when is the Windows version coming out, or Linux? And the answer is that we have it almost in alpha version. We are testing it out every day and pushing fixes, and it is runnable already on Windows. It's just not working 100%. So we are soon going to launch alpha. And if you would like to be a beta tester, just come in please to the Videorc Discord channel. You can find the invitation right here in the menu on videorc.com right here. Also, giving a star to this project would be really nice. I would really appreciate it. And if you want, you can also go and follow Videorc right here on Twitter, where I'm going to push like all the things that we are changing, the releases and everything, same like here you're seeing on Discord. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and please give me some feedback. I'm really curious, what do you think about this project? Is it looking good? Do you think that this one is actually useful? And for more content like this, you know what to do. Join the mighty horde, subscribe.